Welcome to a quick guide on enabling the light theme in the Gmail app. If you're looking for a brighter, more traditional look, this is the simplest way to switch. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Once it's loaded, you'll see the familiar inbox layout. To begin changing the appearance, tap the menu icon in the top left corner. It's that three-line symbol you're used to seeing on every Gmail screen. After opening the menu, scroll down until you find Settings and tap on it. You'll land in a list of accounts and preferences. Look for General Settings and select that option to access broader app configurations. Within General Settings, locate Theme. This is where you tell Gmail whether you want light, dark, or system-based theming. Tap Theme to see your choices. From the theme options, choose Light. The interface will begin updating to a brighter color palette immediately, giving you the clean, airy look you're after. If you don't see the change right away, give the app a moment to apply the new setting. With Light selected, you'll notice the headers, backgrounds, and text adopt lighter tones that are easier to read in well-lit environments. This can reduce glare and make long emails feel more comfortable on sunny days or when you're working in a bright room. If you ever want to revert or try something different, you can return to theme and switch between light, dark, or system default at any time. It's quick and there's no need to restart the app for the changes to take effect. A quick tip: if you often switch between lighting conditions, you might find it handy to set Gmail to follow your device's system theme. That way, the app aligns with your phone's overall appearance without you having to toggle it manually each time. That's all there is to it. You've now enabled the light theme in Gmail and you're ready to read and compose with a brighter interface. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more quick setup tips and updates.